And we now take you live to Chennai for the centenary celebrations of Karur Vysya Bank, where the President is speaking.
More intensely and closely, when I presented the case of Indian banking system at the meeting of G20, when the major banks who had their international reputations faced serious crises, the entire European banking system, and particularly some of the North American banks. Indiscretion of an individual banker in a small house mortgaging loan in 2008 could create such a panic that almost a major international financial crisis was created, and from the adverse impact of which world economy is yet to recover. Year after year, the forecasts of the International Monetary Fund and World Bank are going to be revised and re-revised, because one after another, the crisis is taking into the world economy, and the overall performance of the major economies of the world is not so bright and prosperous. In that context, we are happy that Indian economy is doing reasonably well, and banking system also did reasonably well. Of course, more than often you listen to non-performing assets of the banking systems, which is no doubt a matter of concern, and the governor of RBI, who had just retired, Mr. Rajan, took many appropriate steps to put the system in the right direction. I was saying that along with the banking system, and everybody at that point of time pointed out that when the major banking institutions in the international arena were suffering, Indian banking system stood firmly and solidly because of its prudence management and not indulging in some sort of profligation. I am happy to note that because of the basic foundations and strength of our macroeconomic indices, Indian economy is doing reasonably well. In 2015, our economy grew at the rate of 7.3%, and it is expected to grow at 7.5% by 2016 and 2017. Certain otherwise disturbing microeconomic indicators